What's up, everyone? Let's recap what happened today and prepare for tomorrow, what kind of trades we're looking at. So today was an interesting day where markets were hammered down in the beginning of the day, and they reversed as I was giving a webinar on right about the time Powell was speaking. Since it was a non-event pretty much, and markets closed on the highs today, there's a lot to take a look at and prepare for the rest of the week, because I think we're going to have a bullish follow-through happen as in risk. So today, basically the leader was Dow Jones. It closed on the highs. NASDAQ suffered because yesterday, even though it closed on the highs as well, when futures reopened at 6 p.m. New York time, because of Snapchat's earnings, it dragged the overall market down, and I think it tumbled like 40% today or something. Why are these? Why such wild moves? Well, because traders, investors, they're rotating out of momentum stocks. Momentum stocks are tech stocks. Most of these companies don't produce any profit, and a lot of times, and they were just basically traders and investors reselling them to ever greater fool theory, so to speak. And now everybody just realizes that a lot of these companies are shit, and they are simply buying defense stocks and value stocks. What's a value stock? Something like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is not going anywhere. It's been around for over 100 years, and it owns incredible amount of brands, etc., etc. So even though you might not be drinking Coca-Cola anymore, but you're still probably drinking a lot of its bottled water products without the sugar. So point being, a lot of people are realizing that it's time to take money off the table in these highly risky type of assets, and put them somewhere a little bit safer. You still have an exposure in stock market, but now you're not sitting in stocks that potentially can lose a lot of value, because simply they've went to the moon and now they're returning back to Earth. So what did I take today as trades? Mostly scalps. You can see here on my Telegram channel where I was posting all my trades as I was taking them. I scalped Euro, I think I scalped New Zealand, I'm long Aussie, scalped some gold trades, scalped Dow Jones US 30, and I'm still in S&P and NASDAQ longs. So let's dive into charts and see how we can prepare for tomorrow and the trades we can take. So let's dive in and take a look at what happened today in the markets in regards to the price action. So as I was saying during the webinar, today's close is going to be very important. We closed on the highs yesterday, and then we gapped down, and we were getting hammered all day, probing below the lows of this. We started to rally in I think, when was this? Early US session, tried to rally, then we reversed, ran the stops here, and then we reversed to the bullish side as I was giving during the Powell speech. It happened at 12. We started rallying right before it, and then the follow through. So because we have today's close in a very bullish pattern, I think we're going to have a follow through till the end of the week. So I'm long the indices for now. The reason why I was bullish to begin with, because this was a gap down open, and we ran down. In the Telegram group, I basically said 90% chance we'll fill that gap today. As we did, we filled it today, and I think tomorrow we can really have a good chance retesting these highs, at least this 55 moving average. Plus, the interesting part, if you take a look at the same gaps on, let's do NQ, which is the Nasdaq's future. There is still a big gap that was left, caused by the snap getting hammered right since they announced after the close, and we reopened with a gap down. So I think, again, very good chance we're gonna close the Nasdaq gap tomorrow as well, even though it's everybody is preferring, like I was explaining earlier, value stocks instead of momentum stocks. So Nasdaq, even if we have a bullish continuation of today, leading by US 30, as we are working this trend line here, and when on the short-term time frames, we're actually closing above it, as you can see here, which is a bullish breakout. Essentially, we finished the leg down. We took it up. We made a higher high, higher high, higher high. We made a lower low, low, lower low, and we bounced off of this support pretty much. As a previous resistance, we broke. We had a breakout, bullish breakout, retest, and now we're having a bullish breakout in the on the short-term time frame. So, bullish close to tomorrow will get even more bulls excited about joining the party, so to speak. And I've been hammering about talking about getting long since we were here. I think that we are looking for a bottom, and I think obviously, like I said, the Nasdaq and S&P still have some catching up to do. S&P is looking okay too, as you can see. We probed below these lows, ran the stops, reversed, and now we are, I think we're on our way to test its channel top here. So tomorrow is going to, obviously this is a very bullish candle. This was a very bullish candle. In my previous videos, I explained the significance of looking at the price action and patterns. So this one is telling me that high probability we have a follow through. Maybe even by the end of the week, we're going to see retest these highs here, as buyers definitely are lingering about. How do I know that buyers are lingering about? Well, when you have a massive, yesterday we started with the sell-off, gap down open, and we continued to sell off, but we actually closed the day on the highs. That means that the bulls are stronger than the bears, and the bears are getting trapped now. People who sold the breakout here, their stops are right here, and I think that we're gonna run those stops tomorrow. So, which will take us up exactly to this channel resistance. Meanwhile, on US 30, we can take us all the way to retest these highs here. So I'm bullish on risk. Again, this is a bear market rally. This is not a bottom. So don't mortgage your house, because this thing can roll over. Trend is your friend, and daily trend still hasn't been broken. As you can see, previous swing high, swing high, swing high, and swing high here. The daily will only be switching into the back to bullish, so to speak, only when we take out this previous swing. Until then, this is still a downtrend, and a powerful downtrend that's been ongoing for some time. So don't again, control your risk, be nimble, and that will allow you to lose a little when you're wrong, but when you're right, you'll be right. So in any case, these are the trades I'm looking at for tomorrow. More than welcome to stop by our free Telegram, and we'll discuss all of this there. Or if you want us to help you with your trading, we also provide signals, and we made it was a very decent week. I think yesterday we closed the euro for 131, close New Zealand for half for 110 pips and another half for something else already. The US 30 ran 518 points today. I was scalping. It wasn't much volatility as much as yesterday. So today made 100 pips on the gold, 200 pips on silver, 25 to 17, some nothing too interesting, another 50 on gold, but still quite a decent day. So if you need help with your trading, more than welcome to stop by ApexBull.com and check us out there. Hope it helps. Enjoy.